Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Inflation data. I'm about to spend $200,000, maybe $300,000. You'll find out why and what on. Here we go. Inflation data, seconds away. We're bringing it to you live. Here we go. The numbers are. Expect volatility today. Seconds away now. Here we go. Inflation consensus forecast 2.6. Core inflation data is 2.6 as expected.
If you go back to Friday's probabilities on all the meetings,
core inflation, I've got it ahead of CNBC. 2.6. Inflation rate is up 0.3 on the month.
On consumer price index, we're expecting a headline number up 0.3%, and it delivered. That's exactly what we received, up 0.3%. Now, if you look at the previous month in August, it was up 0.4. September, it was up 0.3. So this fits right in. If you look at food and energy, known as core, on a month over month, it's 1/10 cooler than expected. It's up 0.2. Now, if you look at year over year, up 2.7 expected, 2.7 arrives. The one glimmer here on the year over year is the core comes in 1/10 light to expectations, but the 2.6 level is where we've been. And my favorite numbers, and they really are my favorite numbers, Joe. If we look at the index on the non-seasonally adjusted index, this started in 1913. The index number 324. And why is that important? Because once again, it's a new all-time high. Pretty much, not all the time, but pretty much every month, we get a new all-time high. 1913. And if you look at the 1957 rendition, which is the core CPI, it comes in at 331 and change. And of course, that's also an all-time high, which goes to all the great conversations you've had on Squawk Box. We don't want disinflation, really. We don't want deflation. And the compounding nature of what's going on probably isn't going to abate. So what's the real answer if we're all grown up about this? We're going to have to grow, and we're going to have to be patient, because time is going to heal this as these prices and various aspects of things like the housing industry become the new norm, and we become less sensitive to where history has been. Back to you.
The immediate reaction is right there.
Okay, there is the inflation data. We'll break this down later on the show. Join me for more later. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Stay right where you are. If you're live, I'm just ending this short little bulletin point. Here we go.